My channel once again. In this video, let us quickly discuss the latest update about Arichain or Ari Wallet. We know that we submitted the registration for a while, and since then Arichain official have closed, including the daily checking task, the earnings and everything. And if you go to their official Twitter community now, there is no any latest update as of 25th of November, right? However, let us quickly warm up ourselves about what is currently going on about Arichain or Ari Wallet. With no doubt, the reason why they have paused for this while is because they have almost finished the task on this particular airdrop. Okay, they have finished all the tasks, including the daily checking, the registration and everything. The next final option which we are waiting for is the TGE and listing. Okay, while we are waiting for TGE and listing, I want us to get our mind into something very important about Arichain. If you look at this particular update here, you can see this is Arichain Tokenomics, and I believe all of us have seen this. And if we come back here, you check through it, you see that according to what they have said, it's just a prediction, and it is what everybody is targeting. Actually, is the target price of Arichain, and it is expected to be around 0.5 USDT. Okay, this 0.5 USDT is not bad, even though many people have not accumulated many points. 0.5 USDT, provided the allocation is not going to be bad, because don't forget, after the registration is completed before the TGE, the Arichain will allocate you based on your performance, the total points mined, the referral given, and other social activities carried out on their airdrop and how active you are. So we cannot say that the balance we are seeing on our Arichain, for instance, if I go to this particular account of mine and I click on amount here, you see that the amount I have in Ari there is around 532. Okay, but we are not sure that this 532 is what they are going to allocate to us. Okay, because Arichain may still undergo a lot of check and gives you allocation based on your performance on the airdrop. Okay, now if we come back here, according to this price, which is 0.5 USDT, now let us assume they are going to allocate let's say 50% to 60% of the total mine airdrop, or let's assume 20 to 30%. Okay, now from this 532 Ari point, let's assume I'm given this particular amount, let's say 150, all right, or to 200. Let me assume it's 200. Now this 200 you multiply by 0.5, which is the price, and you get $100. 100 USDT is not bad, provided we did not invest anything into the airdrop, and the gas fee is not going to be bad. You know, one challenge we also face about all this airdrop is the gas fee given to us. If the gas fee is too much, then what you are going to earn from the airdrop, you minus the gas fee from it, the point will be reduced. And with no doubt, almost everybody is giving up on the airdrop due to the fact that they are not paying. Okay, however, let's be optimistic and wait. Okay guys, also we scroll down, according to them, do you see it now? 1 Ari should be equivalent to 0.5 USDT. Now look at the total supply given. Okay, the total supply given is 500 million, right? This 500 million you are seeing is not too much, because most of the airdrops that were dust then gave us 1 billion total supply. I mean, most of them. Now look at this, it's 500 million. It all depends on the market caps given now, because you know, when the airdrop is given, from this now we're expecting the price to be around 0.5, right? And the 500,000 is given here, right? Okay, now if you divide, let's say the market cap is going to be around 250 or 100 million, right? So 100 million divide by 500 million. Okay, so you get 0.2. Now if it is around 250 million market cap, you divide this by 500 million, which you are going to get actually 0.5, and this is the expected price. Okay, now we scroll down a little bit, you see what is your price prediction of Arichain. I would also like you to drop in the comment section, and the expected listing of the airdrop is going to be, we're expecting it to list by ending of this December, and already we're on December 23rd today. So the ending of the year is almost close, because Arichain have not released anything official. We cannot say anything about the listing now, but hopefully they are preparing for the listing of the airdrop. And as you can see down here, the last message posted by them, as stated earlier, was on 25th of November. So definitely they should be preparing for the listing, because according to them, the listing of the airdrop is supposed to take place by Q4 of the year, and Q4 of the year, we're in ending of the Q4 of the year now. Now we're waiting for them to announce the final announcement, which is the listing of the airdrop, and hopefully they are preparing for that. Okay, now what is your suggestion about the airdrop listing, and what price are you expecting, and what is your total mine airdrop so far? So let's drop it in the comment section so that we can know our worth, and so that we can see what we are expecting from the airdrop. All right, guys, that is it, and this is what I have for you for now. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.